Good morning, class. It is Thursday, April 23rd. Okay, we're going to move right through the agenda very quickly. You're still reading The Lion, the Witch, and the Wardrobe for writing. You're still working on your article, which is due next Tuesday. There's no math today. You do have music with Mr. Yu. He mentioned that some students from a couple of different schools, including Cabrillo, will be featured or as guest stars this week, so make sure you check that out. Um, in social studies, we're going to do the reading further, which is actually called Read and Do in the program. And I actually also included a screenshot to show you exactly which section I want you to fill out so you don't fill out extra sections, and that's what you'll fill out and then turn in or submit back in Google Classroom. In science, we are starting a new experiment. Now, this experiment is taking place in two parts. We're starting part one today, and you have all the way through next Thursday to complete it. Now, we've given you a few days because you shouldn't try to attempt it all in one day because there are several things that you need to do. There's math involved, and things like that, and recording things. So it's called the Bottle Toss Challenge. So you will need 2 to 4 different types of bottles. You don't want to use the exact same bottles. You want 2 to 4 different types of bottles. Now, one of the things I want to point out is that you need to measure the height. So you're going to take a ruler or a tape measure and measure, and if you can do it in inches, that would probably be best. So maybe this is, I don't know, 9.5 inches. Okay, so then you're going to record that. Then on the bottle, usually on the bottle, if you still have the label, it'll tell you how many ounces or milliliters or pints that it holds. So you're going to want to record that. Like this Dasani water bottle says that it holds 16.9 fluid ounces, or it says 500 milliliters. So whatever you do, you need to make sure that you are also tracking the volume. What can each water bottle hold? Now, if I had a different water bottle, I happen to only have two of the same water bottle, then maybe that one holds 12 ounces of water. So you want to just make sure that you have that you are tracking the volume for each bottle and that it has a lid. Okay. If it doesn't tell you how much it can hold, like the label is not there, then you can use a cup and just fill up the cup all the way, try to fill it in without spilling it, and then just track how many cups is it, can it, does it take to fill it up. But then you need to do that for each one. You can't say one has cups, one has ounces, one has milliliters. You have to use the same unit for all of your bottles. All right, if you have questions about that, you can let me know. All right, so the question for today is, what is your favorite cartoon or cartoon character? What is your favorite cartoon? I happen to really like Tom and Jerry. So we've got Tom and Jerry, and Tom is probably my favorite character, or maybe it's Jerry. Just the two of them together, just tricking each other. It was always and still is fun for me to watch. So post that in this, post your comment in this section, and have a fabulous day. All right, thanks.